In this presentations, we are going to discuss about process in the operating system. So the outlines are process concept, process state, process control block. The objective is identify the separate components of process and illustrate how they are represented and scheduled in the operating system, and describe how the processes are created and terminated in an operating systems, including developing programs using the appropriate system calls that perform these operations, and describes and contrast inter-process communications using shared memory and message passing. Design programs that uses pipes and proxies shared memory to perform inter-process communications, and it describes client-server communications using a socket and remote procedure calls. Finally, design a kernel models that interact with the Linux operating systems. In the process concept, the operating system executes variety of programs that run a process. The program in the execution stage. The process executions must progress in sequentially fashion. No parallel executions of the instructions of a single process. So multiple part. The program code also called text section. Current activity including program counter, process registers also. The stack is also available. It contains the temporary data. In the functionality of the functions parameters, return address, local variables are stored in the stack. Then the data sections, it contains the global variable, and the heap, it contained memory dynamically allocated during the runtime, where the program is a passive entity stored on the disk. The process is a active entity. So in this process in a memory, the stack, heap, data, text, everything stored into the memory, but the heap and stack, between the heap and stack we can use the extendable memory space to store the additional informations. The process state, the process executes, it can change the state. The states are new, running, waiting, ready, terminate. So that diagram representation is, if the process is newly created, it is a new state, it is ready for the executions, or the then after the executions are running, it is going to the discuss possibility to the waiting state or the terminate state. Then process control block, the information associated with each process is called a process control block. So it has the process state, program counter, CPU registers which are used, and the CPU scheduling informations, memory management informations, accounting informations, and IO status informations. Okay, thank you.